Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA, CDL NEPA. Today we're going to be doing another LASFIT install. These are the corner lights. Going to be an actually pretty easy install, a lot easier than you think. But these are the LASFIT LT10A corner lights. Let's go ahead and start on this now. Alright folks, in order to change this bulb, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get preferably a plastic pry tool. I don't have one unfortunately, so what I'm using is basically like a scraper, putty knife type of thing with a towel. I probably will end up damaging my paint a little bit this way, but there's a pressure plate that's in the back. You just need to make sure you push forward on this as you're doing it, very carefully. And that pops that out right there. And then you just pull it out like that. All right, folks, like I said, there's just like a pressure plate here. You're gonna go ahead and turn this like this, pull that out, make sure you didn't damage anything. This light bulb just pulls right out of here. Actually, this one almost looks like it's getting ready to burn out anyway. I believe this is a 168. Yeah, this bulb already looks like it's ready to go bye-bye. So that's the new LASFIT bulb. We're going to install that simply by pushing it in. Make sure when you push the bulb in, you push it in all the way the best you can. I know there's been a couple times I've done the LASFIT installs, and at first it didn't seem like the bulbs were working. It's just you have to make sure they're pushed in there very good. And then we take the light, line up the holes, turn it back this way. Then we just stick it back in like that. All set, everything clicked in. Now we go do the other side. Right, again, this is going to be the same procedure on this side. Don't mind the damage. I actually hit a raccoon with this and had to patch it up a little bit. Still got to do some sanding and painting on this side. But again, carefully with your tool. Preferably, I recommend getting the plastic pry tool if you could, because I'm probably going to have a little bit of damage doing this, but to get that out, who knows what kind of damage is going on behind here already after the accident. I did have to do some inner fender work on this already. That's what happens when you hit a really heavy raccoon. All right, we get this side popped out. I'll have to remember to be able to do this again later, because I'll probably, like I said, I've got some damage I got to deal with anyway. Screw this way, turn it this way. This bulb I already know is actually blown. Doesn't really look much different than the other bulb I pulled on the other side. Like I said, I'm surprised the bulbs were still working on the other side. Install the new LASFIT. You can't install these wrong, folks. They designed these to go in either direction. You just pop right in there like so. I know sometimes you might want to do this with a pair of gloves. Make sure they're in there solid so you don't have to take them out again. Then line up your tabs, and that's it. They're screwed in. Get your pressure plate lined up, and that's it. I'm going to test and see if these things actually work right now. All right, those bulbs look nice and bright. Not that these are most important bulbs on the truck, but anything helps. And of course, LED bulbs don't take as much energy to run. Everything is LED now on this truck, inside and out. All right, everybody, thanks for watching this video. You can click a link in the description, and I have a discount code if you want to buy any of the LASFIT bulbs or any LASFIT product. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Really not a bad install to do these ones, but now I have every LED light available for this truck. Thanks. Bye for now.